So the difference between the shark and a whale is that you want to make the head much rounder. So it comes down to something like this. And here we can draw the tail, which is just one line. You can tell the shape of the tail is also slightly different from that of a shark. And then we're gonna go down here for the rest of the body. Like so. Okay. Give a little mouth. And just draw a dot. And from here, curve this line back so that connects with the body. There we go. And the whale tend to have a lot of patterns on their belly, so we're just gonna do a few lines here to simplify that, but also to show that it's there. So we can draw basically just 3 lines really. So that's 1, 2, maybe 1 more. And here, if you want to make, you can make the tip of the nose a little bit rounder instead of so extremely sharp. So yeah, this is a 2-minute drawing of a whale. I hope you guys enjoy this drawing. If you want to add a little bit extra, you can do a little curl like that. Maybe a drop of water or 2 to show that, you know, that's its breathing. Alright, sign the picture and we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that was, you know, relatively simple and stress-free. If you guys enjoyed my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel for a lot more videos to come. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!